amazing people. As you can see, I'm all glammed up, yeah, in a simple way though. Yes, because it's Christmas jumper Sunday. I know you might be wondering, why am I not in red or green and the Christmas colored clothing? But I just wanted something different and simple. So if you're seeing this anytime you're watching this video, I just want you to know that yes, you are doing well, you are growing, you are doing better. You are not where you used to be. You are moving forward. You are a better person. God will work all things out, and definitely all things will fall in place. So come with me as I show you how I got this beautiful look. Hello amazing people, welcome back to my channel. It's also Father K. Before you continue watching this video, please do want to click on the like button, subscribe to my channel, drop a comment and share out this video. Guess what guys, it's Christmas jumper Sunday. Woo! Today is gonna be a bit of a chit chat, yes, to give you a summary of how I spent my previous week. It's already looking like Christmas. Oh god, I'm just so happy. Yeah, my previous week has been a fun filled one. Yes, believe me when I say that. Starting from the first day of last week, from Sunday till Saturday, it's been so lovely. As I said that this video will be more like a chatty one, yeah. But I'll just give you a summary of how I spend my week. And in between, I'll be getting ready for service. I'll be getting ready for church service, yeah. So at first, the last week Sunday, yeah, my lovely friend, like she's been so wonderful to me since we've met. I think we met earlier this year. I think around May, June. Yeah, I think late May, early June. I think that was around the time we met. Queen Betty. I'm shouting out to Queen Betty. Thank you, Queen Betty, Elizabeth. Thank you for being such a nice, amazing, and wonderful friend. Permit me to say this, that you are one of the amazing people I met in 2025. You're one of those that made 2025 an amazing year for me. That's for you, Queen Betty. Thank you so much. And I pray God's grace will continually grow in our lives, not just you alone, also in my life. Like I said, it will be more like a chatty one. So now I'll be using this simple moisturizer on my face. Yeah, I'll be using the moisturizer on my face. So last week, starting from the first day of last week, starting from Sunday, yeah, after church service last week, I went for a birthday party and it was so lovely. I actually went with my friend, Queen Betty. I went with Queen Betty. After the birthday party on Sunday, then work as usual on Monday. Yeah, so during the course of the week, I went for a show. Yeah, so there was this R&B show of the 80s, 70s, 80s, yeah. And it was proudly sponsored by Jackie and Louis. Yeah, Louis and Jackie are my boss from work. I'll be showing you a video of that beautiful show. It was an R&B concert where there was a performance by Joe, Tony Braxton, the highlight of the day, and Boys to Men, also other artists. It was fun and actually nice. Believe me when I say that. After that, then I also attended a program in church. Yeah, like a prayer program, and it was so lovely. During last week, yeah, there are times when you feel overwhelmed, but just know one thing: in all, Christ is with you, and you are not alone in this journey. At the right time, the Lord will make it happen. Just encourage yourself in the Lord. You can just pray, yeah, develop a quiet moment with God. Just tell it to God, God, whatever it is I'm going through, Lord, come into it. Call God into every situation you might be passing through. Talk to Christ. He's always right beside you. He's in you, he's beside you. So you are not alone in this journey. You are not alone. So that's how I felt last week. Even in your not so okay moment, just know in your mind that I will be okay. God is working on my behalf. Things will fall in pleasant places for me. Things are just being like this at the moment, but the Lord will come into my case. The Lord will make all things beautiful in His time. And I know this time is now, the time is near, the time. Just prophesy, say good things to that situation, say good things to yourself. When there's casting down, I will be lifted up. I speak peace to this situation. Just and surely the Lord will hear you because the Lord Himself said we should call. We should call on Him and He will answer us. He will surely hear us by the special grace of God. And on Saturday, yeah, work as usual. Yeah, it was fun. It was so fun and at least happy. And here we are today, standing strong. The Lord is our strength. I am basking in God's goodness. Yes, so you can say those words to yourself too. So, like I said earlier, just know that you are not alone. The Lord is with you. Whatever it is you're going through, whatever it is, just know you are not alone. Christ is with you. Yes, I know the end of the year can be so demanding and stressful. Yes, just know that you are growing. You might be like, oh, at the end of 2025, I thought I would have been this, I thought I would have achieved that. I just want you to know something. Christ is working on your behalf. Trust me on this, it's really going to be a very wonderful moment in the presence of my Father. Yes, so please do what to click on the like button, subscribe, drop a comment, let me know where you're watching this video from, and share out to family and friends. Thank you for always engaging in my posts. Thank you for the likes, for always commenting on my videos. I pray the good Lord bless us. So come with me, guys, as I enjoy the rest of my Christmas Sunday.
Happy New Year,